All right, thank you and welcome everyone on this first English PowerPoint presentation. And the text that you see is in Dutch. We haven't even had time yet to put it in English, but I'll give some English comments. And I want to welcome Caroline and some other guests here on this live Zoom call. It's an inspiration session. It's got nothing to do with sales. I just want to show people what is available right now because we have our hands on a piece of software that is actually going to build your team and give you leads and do every single thing. So what has happened before in network marketing or team building was that you had to do your own team building. Well, that's not necessary anymore. You don't have to play the network marketing pimp, and I say this with a pinch of salt, with a bit of humor. You don't have to stand in front of audiences doing pitches of or being the network marketing pimp again. So my apologies if it's a little rude, but it's meant to be funny. And you do not even have to do recruiting. We definitely have software that does it all for you. So it's not necessary to have hotel meetings or gatherings or presentations. You are not dependent on CEOs or founders that, well, screw up or don't have the particular skills to fulfill a company. You do not have to pay any monthly fee. There's no dropouts, no extra costs, no hidden costs, no contracts. You do not have to do any social media marketing or specific daily tasks in order to earn money. And it's all crypto and fiat currency happy. It's all done for you basically. And I'm just going to give you a little history of what is happening in the automation. Now we had a presentation of iMarketsLive. So when you, for example, are an iMarketsLive distributor, or you have another platform or another product, or you want to help your church or your community, whatever, you are able to now put everything on autopilot and create members, create income, every single thing on autopilot. It is mind-blowing and it's really a blessing. So I just want to inspire you to give you a viewpoint that gives you the idea that something that wasn't possible before all of a sudden is possible. That's the only reason why I give these little webinars, Zoom calls, and so on and so forth. And my real job and everybody's real job is to help people with their personal relations, with their ambitions, self-respect, and safety. That's the real job of an internet marketer or a friend or a self-development coach, or however you want to call these people. Now the basic lessons, what you need to understand when you do online marketing is that you need to have three components. One, you need traffic, you need people, you need a continuous flow of fresh leads, prospects, however you call them. You need a funnel. That's number two. The funnel literally educates and makes people aware of that what you have to offer, whether it's goods or services, packages, coins, training programs. I don't care. You need a funnel in order to make people aware and to up their interest and make them and prepare them up to a point that they can make a free-willed decision to come on board with you. So you need one, traffic, two, funnels, and three, your website, your affiliate link, your shop, your organization, or whatever, in order to sell stuff or to have people in your community. Those are the three basic ingredients, so to speak. Now 2 and 3 is easy. The word here is Dutch for easy. It's very simple, meaning you are able to build funnels or follow-up systems, or you're able to hire somebody like myself to build them, and you're able to, for example, become a member of iMarketsLive or some online opportunity. That's quite easy. For a little bit of money and a little bit of effort and education and due diligence, you're able to start a business online in no time, and you're able to put a funnel in front of it. That is easy. Now the hard part, and this is Dutch again for the hard part is to actually create traffic, to inspire people, to get the masses. And that is now available in a pre-launch software toolkit, because you need all three. You need traffic, you need funnels, and you need opportunities in order to make money, to fulfill your dreams and aspirations. So just imagine this is your business. Number 3, it's your business, whatever you promote, your your organization, your community, your business, your network marketing company. For me, it's iMarketsLive at the moment. I'm helping iMarketsLive teams worldwide to promote and to put everything on autopilot. So for you, you just have to imagine your organization. And the second thing is funnels. This is how a funnel system looks like. You all saw those pages that you can fill in your name, your best email address, and your mobile telephone number. And then behind the scene, the funnel is following up everything on autopilot. It'll show you different videos instead of you having to go to events or you having to go to presentations or Zoom meetings, live streaming sessions, or Skype meetings. Everything can be put on autopilot, including click-through video mail and click-through SMS text messages and voice messages. So that's the second part. Now, the revolutionary part, and that's why I said in the beginning it'll knock your socks off and blow your hair back for the next 30 years, is that the 100% autopilot team building software is available right now as well. So what you have now is everything on autopilot. You have an automated system that adds team members and prospects and new clients or customers or members into your funnel, and from your funnel they'll end up on your network marketing company or your organization. This is brand new. We have a brand new launch. It's not in the public domain yet, of a piece of software, artificial intelligence software, a breakthrough income opportunity, which is called onpassive. Go ahead.
I can't answer.
Sorry.
Okay. I'm sorry.
Not at all, sweetheart. I thought you wanted to ask a question. Not important. That's cool. So now you have all three on autopilot. You have the traffic on autopilot, you have the follow-up system on autopilot, and you have the opportunity.
Yeah.
Now the main.
I'm sorry.
That's okay, sweetheart. Not to worry. So now.
Hello, Rob.
What do you want to say, Caroline? Go ahead, sweetheart.
Hello, Rob. Hello.
Somebody is, I think that the line is a little bad, the communication. It's a live Zoom call, so don't worry about it. I'll just finish up the video and we'll do some questions and answering at the end. The only message I have left is to tell you that do both. You can do the old-fashioned network marketing. You can do the old-fashioned network marketing work as well as the new-fashioned automation, and you can send people from online to offline and offline to online. Plus, you're able to continue Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram advertising. That's really the whole presentation. Now, in order to create this perfect money machine, there's a special offer. And again, this is in Dutch, my apologies. But basically, it says that when you commit to our funnel software, to our team in onpassive via a pre-launch platform, and you take part in one of our platforms, in one of our network marketing organizations, we will build this whole system completely for a one-time offer payment of 300 euros only. Now, the onboarding costs are in screen right now. For GoFounder, it's 97 bucks. For the funnel software, 50 bucks. And for iMarketsLive, 195, just to give you an idea. And the whole idea is to think how to make money with it instead of what it costs. So basically, when you say right now to this opportunity, we will send you a bill of 300 bucks and you're in, and we start building our funnels. With other words, if you help 3 other people, and sorry, the only advantage is that when you say yes right now, we'll give you a special license in order to sell this product as well, so that you can make another $100 per sold funnel system. So when you help 3 other people, you are free for life and you have your automation. Now, there's only one warning, that those who hesitate, they have to pay an additional $300 for the resale license. So they pay 2 times $300. When you make a commitment right now, you pay 1 time, and when you make a commitment later, you pay 2 times $300. 1 time for the funnel building and 1 time for the resale license. So take action right now by giving your full name and your email address, and then we'll send you the appropriate documentation. When you rather pay with Bitcoin, we'll give you a wallet address. PayPal is possible as well by simply paying 300 euros to VA services now at gmail.com. And when you do not have money or you need help, then call me personally or call the person that sent you to this video. Again, 2 decisions. You can choose right now to say yes, and we'll send you a bill of 300 bucks excluding taxes, or no thank you, and you'll pay your resale license later. Any questions? I'll keep the Zoom call open for those who are live here. When you really think this is something for you, we have more video information. Click links underneath, leave your best email address plus mobile telephone number, and get back to the person that sent you to this information. I'm going to end the recording and give everybody a break, but keep the Zoom call open. I apologize for the Dutch. I need to translate it into English. I'll do that the next time, but this is another piece of creative content that helps us score high on Google. So thank you for those who are being here live. Those who see this on video, then please also click the little word. When you see this on YouTube, for example, there's a little word under this YouTube video spelled share. When you click on it, little social media icons pop up and you're able to share this on your social media platforms. I'll stop the recording. Thank you so much, and we'll keep the live Zoom call open for those who want to ask some questions.